One of my favorite chapter, that it is trigonometry. Let us start with the trigonometry. So what is trigonometry? The trigonometry is applicable only for the right angle triangle. When we know one angle 90-degree obviously, and the another angle of the that, then using the side we can measure another side which we don't know. Okay, so we can find the other side as well as angles. If we know the sides, we can find the angles. If we know the angle, we can find the side. So this, let us see, when we study about the trigonometry, here comes the three not three six main ratios that were there. First one is sine theta. So first let us study the basic of this. That is, you can see here one triangle. It is only applicable for the right angle triangle. Okay, so let us consider the triangle ABCD. Here one angle at any cost, it should be the right angle triangle. So wherever we take that angle, we make it as an angle, means main angle of the triangle. Let us consider A angle. If you want to consider A. If you want to consider C, then the side it change. If we consider A, it will become A. If we consider C, it will become C over here. Okay. So first here, if we will take the angle of A. So for this triangle, for the angle A, this CB is the opposite side. Okay, but the adjacent side for this is AB. This is adjacent side, and this is exactly opposite to it. And the 90-degree, which is opposite to 90-degree, that we call it as the hypotenuse. It will not change. It will not going to change. But when we change the angle, for example, we take this angle, so BC will become the opposite. Okay, but when we take the angle of C like this, so opposite side will become the BC. Understanding? So opposite and the opposite and the adjacent sides will the change. For A, opposite this and this one, and this is adjacent. But when we consider C angle, opposite side will be this BC and the adjacent side will be BC. Okay, forgive me, this is opposite side will be BC and the adjacent, again sorry, let us recall it once again. That is, when we consider C angle, opposite is AB and adjacent will be BC. Means adjacent and opposite sides are going to be exchanged according to the angle, but hypotenuse will not going to change. Wherever the 90-degree will be there, that's opposite side will be what it is, hypotenuse. So here comes the 6 ratios in trigonometries that we call it as. One is sine A. Let us take this. First one is sine A. Let us consider the angle. Let us consider the angle. Let us consider the triangle A, B and C. Here B angle will be 90 degree. So this will become hypotenuse. Yes. So we will consider A angle, main angle. Okay. So this will become opposite and this will become adjacent. Yes or no? Yes. So when we consider angle, there are how many are there? 6 are there. First one is sine. You can take here A. So we consider the angle A, so we'll represent it by the A. So according to A, sine A, we'll take general first. Okay, then we will study about this. So we'll consider theta. Theta means any angle. I don't know which one. So we'll take the theta. Theta means any angle. It might be A, B, wherever we represented it. So generally we take it sine theta. So sine theta will be what? So sine means opposite divided by hypotenuse. What it is? Opposite divided by hypotenuse. So here if we take at the sine angle A, we consider here, what will it becomes? So angle A we consider means opposite, it will become BC. Yes or no? BC divided by, and hypotenuse is AC when we consider angle A. But when we consider angle is C, because here two are there, so main angle we can make any one. So when we consider angle C, which one become opposite? This. Now this will become opposite. Yes or no? And next one, this will become that time adjacent. So exchange will be there. So now is opposite is AB and adjacent will be, hypotenuse will be AC. So can you see the difference? When we change the angle, what happens? Opposite and hypotenuse also, opposite and the adjacent angles will be what? They get exchanged, line get exchanged. So let us take for the all the angle A for all the ratios. So first we will write about all the general with the theta, and we will go with the sine A, and then we will go with the sine C. So then we will understand angle A and angle C. To understand all in the depth, not to get confused whenever they will give any angle, so we are able to answer those all the things. Okay. So first general ratios we will take by taking angle theta. Okay. So let us take first one is by taking angle theta. Sine theta is equals to what it will become? Opposite divided by hypotenuse. Okay. And next comes cos theta. Cos theta is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Next comes tan theta, that is opposite divided by adjacent. Cot theta is adjacent divided by opposite. Next comes sec theta, that is hypotenuse divided by adjacent. Cosec theta is hypotenuse divided by opposite. So let us consider one angle and let us write the angle for those all the things. So where should I draw? I'll draw here. Okay. A, B, C. Let us consider B as a 90 degree. And we will take main as here A. First we will take the sine A. Okay. So when we consider theta as A. Okay. Here we are considering sine A. Then what will it become? Sine A is opposite. BC will become opposite. So BC. And hypotenuse AC. Like that only cos A. What it will become? Adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent here is AB and hypotenuse is AC. Let us consider tan A. For tan A, you can see what it is there, opposite divided by adjacent. Opposite is BC and adjacent is AC. So cot A for A angle, what it is? Adjacent divided by opposite. So that is AC divided by BC. So sec sec A, for sec A, it is as hypotenuse divided by adjacent. Hypotenuse is AC and adjacent is AB. Okay. Sec A, when we come to the cosec A, so cosec A is hypotenuse divided by opposite angle. So hypotenuse is AC and opposite is BC. So this is all about angle A when we consider angle A. Let us now take for the C. So we will make it as a C. So how it will change, let us see. So when we see sin C, so means what we are taking, this angle as a highlight we are taking over here. Yes or no? Which one? Okay, this angle. This angle we are taking as a highlight. So we'll go with another one over here. Another page we'll take. So here, same triangle A, B, C. This is 90 degree. We are taking main now as a C. So let us go with sin C. For sin C, so obviously opposite will be AB and adjacent will be BC. So sine means what it is there? Sine with any angle, opposite divided by hypotenuse. So opposite here is AB. Okay, hypotenuse is AC. When it comes to cos C, adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So adjacent, that is BC divided by AC. So tan C is opposite divided by hypotenuse. Opposite divided by adjacent. So AB divided by BC. Cot C, that is adjacent divided by hypotenuse, that is BC divided by AB. Okay. And next comes sec C. Sec C. Sec C, that is hypotenuse divided by adjacent. Hypotenuse, that is AC, adjacent BC. Cosec, here it will become hypotenuse divided by opposite, that is AC divided by AB. So understood how to get the, if they given any angle in the triangle, like two angles will be there, any angle if they are able to give, so we are able to write the ratios. Are you able to? I hope you learnt very well, I guess. If you have any problem in this concept, please ask the questions. Thank you.